In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select in Adobe Express. If you're editing a design in Adobe Express, knowing how to select the right element quickly can save you a lot of time and make the whole editing process much smoother. Whether you're working with text, images, shapes, or layered elements, the selection tools are simple once you know where to click and what to look for. To begin, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design you want to edit so you can interact directly with the objects on your canvas. Once your project is open, you're ready to start selecting items. If you want to select a single item, simply click once on the object. This is the fastest and most basic way to work with individual elements. After clicking, you should see that the object becomes active, which means you can now move it, resize it, or make other edits. If you need to select multiple items, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click each additional element you want to include. This is especially useful when you want to move several objects together or apply changes to more than one item at the same time. Just keep holding Shift as you continue clicking the extra elements. Another useful method is to click on an area and drag over the elements you want to select. This creates a selection box and can be a faster option when several items are grouped close together on the canvas. If you have multiple objects in one area, dragging across them can help you grab them all in one motion instead of clicking one by one. If you want to deselect your current selection, click once in the empty space outside your design canvas. This clears the active selection so you can start fresh. It's a simple step, but it's helpful when you accidentally select the wrong item or want to stop editing the current object. If the item you need is behind another layer or overlapping with something else, open the Layers panel from the upper right corner. This allows you to select hidden or stacked elements directly, which is very helpful in more complex designs. Instead of struggling to click the right object on the canvas, you can choose it from the layer list more precisely. And that's it. Those are the main ways to select items in Adobe Express. Once you get comfortable with single selection, multiple selection, drag selection, deselecting, and using the Layers panel, editing your designs will feel much easier and more efficient.